so good to see you. Thanks for coming back. So if this is your first time on this channel, hit that subscribe button. That shows that you want to see some more of me. And if you're coming back, hi! I missed you. It's been so long. It's been so long. It's been so long. I'm going to be opening up November 2019's Glossybox. For those of you that are not familiar with this particular box, it runs $21 a month, and you can actually save a little bit if you sign up for a 3, 6, or 12-month plan. This is actually a UK brand, but they do have it in the US, so this is going to be the US version. And it usually includes 5 sample size products and usually has a value of over $60. If you're curious at any point in time to sign up for this subscription, I'll actually leave a link down below and you can save 20% off your first box. Let's go back in time and see what I got. So opening up the box. And they did include a nice little coupon from HelloFresh where you get $80 off. It's okay. They also included a $100 wine voucher. I haven't actually tried this. They always include it every month, so maybe eventually I'll get around to it. But look at the box this month. How cool is that? Reminds me a lot of like Thanksgiving colors. Very nice. Usually the box is like that right there, just pink, but this is just absolutely beautiful. But look at this. This is so freaking pretty. Oh, I'm definitely going to be keeping this one. This is what it looks like. It's green wrapping paper, so very festive. A nice gold. I feel like I'm missing a card. They usually include a pamphlet. I'm getting super excited. I gotta say, Glossybox this year, 2019, it started out really rough. Like I was like, I'm canceling this crap. As the year's been going on, the box has been getting better and better, I gotta say. There is no card included. I don't know if they forgot to put it in or they're actually just skipping the leaflet this month. This is gonna take a little bit longer because I'm gonna have to look up the prices. First thing included is a product from Mystic Black and it's called Novex. I don't know what this is, but that is the packaging. And it's a deep hair mask. What does it say? Mascara. Oh, it's a different language. It's like mascara. What the hell? And it has baobab. How do you pronounce that?
Baobab.
It includes a baobab oil, high moisturizing action, ideal for all hair types that suffer from dryness. Living in New York, the winter is coming, everything gets drier. I'm excited to try this out. It doesn't smell bad actually. And that's what the inside looks like. Magical shine and split ends protection. I need that too, so I am all about this right now. So I'm guessing this is a sample size. It looks really big for a sample size. This is 100 grams. On their website is you can get 400 grams for $7.99. So this would be $2. That is a really good price if this is $2. That'd be freaking crazy. I haven't even tried it and it's an amazing price if that's what they have included. A product from Real Chemistry, and this is called a Luminous 3-minute peel for instantly smoother, brighter, softer skin. This is not a mask. The peel is a clear, Lord. I got another peel. Lord. Immediately begin massaging the entire area in a circular motion. Apply light to medium pressure to ensure proper contact, but do not rub your skin. What? How am I not supposed to rub my skin? Within 15 to 20 seconds, solids should form under the fingertips. Ooh. Solids you feel are a combination of the peel and the epidermal tissue. The peel is applied as a gel and removed as small solids. Alright, well let's try this out. I'm gonna go wash my face real quick and I shall be right back. Alright, so my face is freshly washed. It says damp hands, damp skin, so my skin is still slightly damp. There's no seal on it. I don't know how I feel about that. What's up with this no seal business? Yeah, it's a clear gel. There are bubbles in it. I'm not really sure how it's supposed to leave like solid things on my skin. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. The nastiness has started. It bothers me when I see this stuff. Just looks like snot all over my face. It does have a slight smell to it, but nothing obnoxious. I don't know how long I'm supposed to do this for. It says 3 minutes, so it's not supposed to be for a very long time. Oh, you keep rubbing it to ensure that it's combined with as much dead skin as possible, but it's only going to be 2 to 3 minutes. Then we rinse it off. And I'm assuming they recommend doing it in the shower because it's so messy. Oh, although I have experienced messier, so this is actually not that bad. Alright, I think I'm done with this, so I'm just going to rinse it off and I'll be right back. I rinsed off the, whatever it's called, peel. My skin does feel smoother, so that is good. It doesn't feel moisturized. It also doesn't feel dry, but give it time, I probably will. This is 1.01 fluid ounces, 30 milliliters. So this apparently is $30. Ooh. $30. Ooh. It is tiny. Tiny, tiny, tiny. But these little things, $30 on their website. They included a palette, which I think is awesome. They very rarely include a palette. Style London, and it's the Velvet Touch. I gotta say, this palette looks pretty freaking sick. Really like it. It's like a very neutral palette. Mineral-based, vegan, vitamin E, talc-free, paraben-free, and cruelty-free. So very nice. And this runs $12.88 on their website. I really like this palette. It's like small, it's petite, and it's very neutral. The consistency, I wouldn't say it's my favorite. Whoa, that is blinding. It's a nice copper. It's like a shimmer. Ooh, I like that one. I think I went out of order. I've encountered softer, but it's still very nice. Yeah, so those are all the shades, and I can definitely see myself using this on a reg when I want to be super understated. And I love how it's set up too. All the shimmers around and the mattes in the middle. Oh wow. Actually showed up a lot more than I thought it would. Wow, that's pretty cool. There is a lot of fallout, but I've come to associate that with just pigment. So that's the difference. That's what that middle. And I like that it is buildable. Like, I feel like I can deepen it in if I really needed to. Realize with hooded eyes, I gotta actually draw what I want in there. I don't know if the brick red's actually showing up. It's just deepening the exact same color, it looks like. So far, it looks like the colors do blend in very well together. See if that brown can deepen this up. Ooh, it looks like that worked. Because this looks red over here, and this looks like a deeper brown. And just go on my inner corner, lighten that up. That's what that bronze shimmer looks like. I think I should have gone with a different shade. It's very subtle, and from afar, I think I look fine. But you come up close, and I'm just like, I don't know how I feel about it. Ardell Wispies, and this is a fiber building mascara. I am familiar with Ardell. I know they make lashes. I did not know that they had a mascara. So this is going to be interesting. And it is $8.99. See what it's looking like. Ugh. Looks like it's a thick consistency. Is it me, or is there something up with this wand? This wand is weird. Like, look at it. It's almost like twirly. Odd. Very odd. See it, I'm like, I've never seen a wand like this before. So it's supposed to actually mimic their best-selling Wispies lashes. And it's a fiber building formula. And it's a special hourglass shape. It doesn't look like an hourglass to me. Still not looking like an hourglass, but okay. Alright, so this is what my eye looks like before. No lashes anywhere to be seen. They're there, they're just like hidden. Alright, so we get a little bit of volume there. Yeah, there's a little bit. It did something. Like, it's definitely doing something. The consistency is super thick. This is what I mean when I say it's thick. It's like pulling out chunks of the whatever the formula is, and it's grossing me out. Yeah, I don't mean to be a jerk, but I've had better. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this mascara. I can understand why it's fiber building, so it definitely like gives you volume on your lashes. Not necessarily length, but volume. It's so thick, and the wand, I don't know what the point of that hourglass shape is. I just don't want to even use too much because I feel like it's definitely just going to clump up. So thank you, but no thank you. I'm glad I got to try it because like I said, I'm very familiar with their lashes. I've just never, I didn't even know they had a mascara. A lip crayon from Lord & Berry, and it's in the color Intimacy. And this runs $20. Ooh, that is like a dusty pink. My lips are slightly dry, so I'm gonna put some lip balm on there. So it's coming across a little bit streaky. It's because of the lip balm that I have underneath it. I wouldn't say this is my favorite color. I usually don't go for like a deep pink like this. All right, so that's a little bit better. Not amazing, but a little bit better. All in all, I'm okay with the box this month from Glossybox. It wasn't actually that bad. That was a video. Bye.